Today, I'm going to teach you Git and GitHub in a way that actually makes sense, with real examples, real workflows, and visual mental models you can remember forever. By the end of this video, you will fully understand 1. What Git really is, 2. How Git actually works behind the scenes, 3. How developers use branches in real companies, 4. What GitHub changes in your workflow, 5. The modern Git workflow used in 2024 to 2025 teams, 6. And why AI makes Git even more important. Section 1. The real problem. Git solves, with example. Imagine this. You have a project called Portfolio Website. You change the design today, and tomorrow you want it back. Or your friend edits a file and breaks the entire project. Or you experiment with a new feature and you decide it's bad. Then, without Git, you lose old versions. With Git, every version is saved forever. Visual analogy. Git is like a save button, but each save is labeled, time-stamped, and reversible. Section 2. What Git really is. Clear mental model. Git is not a cloud service. Git is not GitHub. Git is a tool on your computer that tracks every change in your project, like a smart history tracker. Simple mental model. Git equals local, tracks your project. GitHub equals cloud, stores your Git project online. Section 3. Git internals in 30 seconds. Beginner friendly. Git tracks 3 areas. 1. Working directory, where you edit files. 2. Staging area, where you prepare changes. 3. Repository. Permanent history. Example. You modify home.css. You run git add home.css. Staging git commit-m. Update hero section. History saved. This is the foundation of Git. Section 4. Branches with a real project example. Think of branches like parallel universes of your code. Example project. E-commerce app. 1. Main. Stable, ready for deployment. 2. Feature/cart. Building cart. 3. Feature/auth. Building login. 4. Bug fix/payment. Fixing payment issue. Everyone works without touching each other's work. Visual. Branches equals separate lanes on a highway. Merge equals joining the lanes safely. Section 5. Merge versus rebase. Simple explanation. Merge example. Feature/cart arrow. Main creates a commit. Merge branch cart. Rebase. Example. Simplified. You rewrite history to make it cleaner, like reorganizing your notes. Merge equals safe, rebase equals clean. Beginners should start with merge. Section 6. What GitHub actually adds. GitHub gives you remote storage, collaboration, issues, pull requests, code reviews, CI/CD automation, project boards, documentation hosting. Example. Your team says, push your branch and open a PR. This means git push origin feature/cart. Then go to GitHub. Open pull request. Section 7. Real company workflow. 2024 to 2025 standard. This is exactly what big companies do. 1. Create new branch git checkout b feature/search 2. Build feature 3. Commit in small steps. Git commit-m add search input UI. Git commit-m add search filter logic. 4. Push branch git push origin feature/search 5. Open pull request, GitHub. 6. Code review, discussion 7. Merge into main. Section 8. How AI tools affect Git. AI makes you write 5 times faster, meaning 1. More changes. 2. More mistakes. 3. More broken logic. 4. More refactoring. Git becomes even more critical in the AI era. Example. Copilot writes a function, breaks 3 files. Git lets you instantly git restore dot or git revert commit_id. This is why Git is never going away. Git is not just a tool, it's a safety net. If you want a full hands-on Git course or GitHub workflow training, tell me in the comments.